যা।
We had our lunch here at Shankarpur. We stayed here for 2 hours. In lunch, I had rice, dal, fried potato, and pomfret fish. I took some family photo and went to the beach for some time. As usual, my son is in that car of Chandro. He is taken care by Brototi and Priyanka. Now I will introduce Oyon and Papia on Mojo. Along with them, Aditya and Payal on FZ25, who are riding with me back to Kolkata. I have in front of me Oyon and her wife Papia. Hi. And one more couple are on FZ25, so I will introduce you with them very soon. They are my co-riders. He is Aditya and his wife Payal. We are total here returning Aditya, Payal. Previously you met Oyon and Papia, and in the car that is driven by Chandrajit, there are Chandrajit, his wife, his brother-in-law Sudeep, and his wife Brototi. So this is the car which Chandrajit is driving. Along with Chandrajit, few more members are there, but the most important member is my kid. I will try to show them also. One puppy came in front of us. It's overall a lovely, scenic, beautiful place. The road is also very good. We are also enjoying the trip. But now I am feeling a bit sad because today we are returning home. Once again I am reiterating that from here to you will take our first stop in Kolaghat. Brototi has my kid. I have given her some biscuits. If the baby is crying for food or if he is hungry, then I have asked Brototi to supply him one by one biscuits at least till Kolaghat, and after reaching Kolaghat we will see what can be done. So in front of me Aditya and Payal. Then comes Chandrajit, and here comes Oyon. And now in front of me there is nobody, only empty road. We have taken the route that is Kanthi bypass, and this is the Kanthi bus stop. The road towards Kanthi bypass is very good. You can see that in front of you. I will try to share as many videos as possible with important bends and turns and crossings, and I will try to make them easier for you to understand. Just now you saw a board stating Kolkata is 150 km. In my map also my home is showing as 151 km only. An estimated time of arrival is 7:13 p.m. Right now the time is 3:50 p.m. and we are on Kontai bypass. We will take left turn from Kontai bypass. This is the crossing. You can see there is Das Aquatics Sushma complex. From there we will take a left turn. Now we will continue with National Highway 116B for 51 km. Kolkata is 146 and Haldia is 73 km. And till now the National Highway is looking like National Highway only, and the road is nice and clean and comfortable and free of bumper. But I believe in this zone the speed limit is 50 to 60. So whenever you are riding at a speed above 60, be extra careful to look on your left and right and see if any traffic cops standing with speed gun or speed camera, because if you are caught once, then it will be very much difficult for you to get rid of them. They will either charge 300 rupees or they may seize your license or some other document of your vehicle for some certain time. So either ride according to the speed limit, or if you are not willing to ride according to the speed limit, then be very extra careful to look on your left and right and on your top also to search for any speed camera or speed gun. This is a nice curve. I like curves and corners like this. This is a smooth highway curve, but the sad part is that there is speed breakers immediately after the curve is over. Only two persons are awake. One is Brototi, who is sitting right, and another one is Chandra's wife, that is Priyanka, and my baby is at present giving a power nap in Priyanka's lap. In this regard, I will thank Priyanka also for handling my baby. The undeniable fact is that these two ladies, along with Oyon's wife, Papia, they have all come together. They all behave like a family member and they handle my baby together. So in my entire trip, I have never felt any kind of burden, embarrassment, limitation for my baby, and all the credit goes to these three women. Number one, Brototi, number two, Priyanka, and number three, Papia, Oyon's wife. And to some extent, Aditya's wife, Payal also. In fact, Payal, Papia, Priyanka, and Brototi therefore acted like my own family member, my own sisters, and they taken care of my baby in the best possible way. I am really grateful to these four ladies. This is one of the signature passage that everybody has to pass by when they are going towards Digha. That is the reason I have recorded this while I was going to Mandarmani, and right now also I am recording the same while returning back to Kolkata. There is some piece of work like temple. The bridge ends here and the name of the bridge is Matongini Setu. It falls under Tamluk. There is my baby, you can see. From this route we will take left turn. You can see that Kolkata is written on left, so we will take left turn. This is Nandakumar crossing. From here we will go 29 kilometers straight, and after that 5 more kilometers and we will be in our destination at Kolaghat. Once again I am reiterating, from Nandakumar you need to take a left turn on the NH16 towards Kolaghat. The name of this crossing is Nimtauri. From Nimtauri you will take straight road, then only you will reach Kolaghat. From Nimtauri, Kolaghat is around 20 kilometers. This is another bridge en route to Kolaghat. You can see here is the rail line and the scenery is very good. You can't see the sun right now because it is time for setting down. Still I will try to show you if possible. Have a look at the sun once again. I will try to show you. Within few minutes, hardly like 15 to 20 minutes, it will be set properly. The darkness is just a matter of time. There is one toll tax. You can see in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 6 lanes. This is Kolaghat Haldia National Highway 41. This is Kolaghat Haldia toll tax, and from here Kolaghat is only 16 kilometers away. So we will take halt after 16 kilometers. Here is the Kolaghat thermal power plant. You can see there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 thermal power plants. It run by burning the energy of the coal and it produces electricity.
Oh my god, না এসব নোংরামো আমি করতে পারবো না। ওর কোন নামে নোংরামো করলে চাপ আছে। তুই মাছ ছেড়ে দেবো, আমি কেসকে যাবো। তুমি ছেড়ে দিলে তো ভিডিওটা।
We have come to Kolaghat. Let's see where to stop. Probably we will stop here or nearby. Okay, so other members are already waiting. So Oyon and Aditya, they have already come. So I will park my bike here and we'll have some tea, snacks. Let's see what they are waiting for me, my wife Shonali, and I am planning to feed my baby at the same time if it is possible. I will feed him also.